Hello, welcome to this short presentation on the latest quarterly beauty survey conducted by Artemis. We conduct these surveys each quarter to help our clients get a better understanding of beauty consumers, as obviously that's who we are servicing as, Artemis providing the devices, but also mainly our clients who are offering the treatments. This particular survey is the second one in the series. We will link the first one in the description in case you wanted to watch that, as it has some other useful insights. This particular survey was conducted with 27 questions and completed in June 2022. We had 1,143 respondents, which were representative of the US population. We use some clever statistical analysis stuff to analyze the data, and we work with a PhD who works on this kind of analysis to make sure it was validated. So on to the results. So the first interesting stat is that Gen Z, which are the people who are 10 to 25 years old currently in 2022, their biggest concern by far is acne when it comes to their face, with 43% of them being concerned with that. So that's something to think about as you think about what services you can offer to this younger population. When asked for how concerned they are, on a scale of 1 to 7, they give acne and blackheads as the sort of number one and number two concerns there. So making sure that you have offerings for that age group as they start to get older and earn more money. That is one way to think about services that you could offer at your location. In terms of Gen X, who are currently 42 to 57 in age in 2022, by far their biggest concern is fat loss, with 48.6% being concerned with that. So definitely something that you should offer, especially as that audience has quite a high spending power. So they also have the money to spend to fix the issue or work on the issue. It is closely followed by muscle tone and skin tightening. So also having solutions for those areas for your clients is a good idea. In terms of people who are thinking about having either a non-invasive or invasive procedure in the next 12 months, 33% more likely to have a non-invasive procedure. Not that surprising, because obviously an invasive procedure is a pretty big decision. You're going more under the knife. But it's definitely worth offering these non-invasive treatments at your locations. Also, kind of interestingly, if we ask people how much they would recommend non-invasive treatments if they've had one, so only 30% of Gen Z, which is the 42 to 50, the 10 to 25-year-old age range, would not recommend it to others, people who've had some sort of treatment. So fairly high recommendation rate. 51% would recommend, 19% were unsure. So, not amazing results here, but I suppose what this really means is that you have to be careful when you're picking the products that you offer, because obviously the way to grow your business is for your customers to refer their friends, and you really need to get products which have 70% plus recommendation rate. So really doing your work and choosing good quality products that have been checked out thoroughly. Finally, the beauty consumers use social media to research what they're going to get, 63% on average, and 90% of the younger age group. And that younger age group are going to become the older age group. That's how it works. So making sure that you are using social media to educate your customers and creating content and not just promotional material on your social media platforms is really important. Finally, we ask people about aided awareness. What this means is unaided awareness is asking people, what beauty treatments have you heard of? That's unaided. Aided is, have you heard of Botox? Have you heard of cool sculpting? Have you heard of cryoskin? So it's prompting people, but then they answer yes or no. We were quite surprised about how high cryoskin's aided awareness was here, around 18%. Definitely behind Botox, very high, 80%. Obviously, cool sculpting, the market leader, 53%. Hydrofacial, another amazing product, over 30%. But cryoskin, we've really spent a lot less money on advertising so far, because we are, a smaller business. So the aided awareness is growing very fast for a new product, which is quite exciting for our business. But, other areas to consider, cool sculpting has very high aided awareness, as does hydrofacial. The reason this matters is these are the treatments that people are going to come in and ask for because they have heard of them. So thinking about which treatments people have actually heard of is going to help you grow your business. Hope that was useful. If you do have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.